Tutorial: Importing and Exporting Network Files. This tutorial goes over importing an existing file as an answer network. A pre-configured network file can be used as an answer network by clicking on this button. Configurations in the imported network can be viewed in the assessment tree. This is the imported network. Exporting an answer or initial network is the same as saving the file, except that the export button is used instead of the usual save button. This ends the Importing and Exporting Network Files tutorial.